Hey, Andy Harrington here. I just want to talk very briefly about someone very special, James Nicholson. I am in the seminar and events and information sharing industry. I run events, big events, small events, preview events, in fact all over the world. Recently, I hooked up with James and he taught me something very special. In fact, he taught it to my 17-year-old son. It was how to do Facebook adverts. Because we'd been using an outside consultancy to fill our seminar rooms, and it was costing us up to £46 per registration on Facebook. Using James's techniques, he was able to teach us so that we could get registrations for our event for £8 per registration. That's a game changer for us. And more importantly, we're able to do that in just 7 days, run a campaign and go from no registrations to over 750 registrations for our event in just 7 days' time. So if you're looking to use internet marketing, if you're looking to use social media marketing to help fill your events, or to help sell products or programs, or just get more visibility for what you do so you're seen and known as an expert, so you capture leads, so you can convert leads, so really you can start monetizing your time, your knowledge, your know-how, then I highly encourage you to learn from James, and here's why. Unlike many people in this industry, and I'm not knocking anyone particularly, but here's the thing that I know about James, is that he's an implementer of this stuff. He isn't a speaker per se, he's not someone that's out there to make a fast buck and just teaching the stuff that he's learned from somebody else. James has been digital marketing for over 10 years. He understands the nuances. He's a geek, right? He's one of those technical geeks that really understands the nuances of what it takes to monetize your knowledge and know-how online through the various mediums of Facebook in my case, but also YouTube and all the platforms out there that you need to be becoming familiar with and mastering now. So if you're on the edge of your seats and you're thinking about attending one of his live programs, then this will be one of the best investments you've ever made. For me, the investment, I made 10 times my money on my investment with James in just the first round of using his techniques. So ongoingly, the return on investment is huge. So I highly encourage you to use James, so go ahead and do that right now.